Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tasara, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to keep your hair healthy and thick during quarantine season. My hair has been a huge problem for me because I don't know what to really do with it. I either put them in braids or just do a mask. And now that we can't go to supermarkets, why not do a DIY at-home mask to keep your damaged hair from being damaged? So what I'm going to be showing you guys is pretty simple. How to keep your hair healthy by using avocado, just one egg, some honey, olive oil, hairspray just filled with water, and a hair cap, a measuring spoon, and a fork to stir your ingredients up together. So the beauty about this mask is that it's full of omega-3 fatty acids, which helps keep the shine and strength of your hair. And it also helps fight off free radicals. And it's full of antioxidants. So right now I'm gonna be showing you guys how I apply it throughout my hair. My hair is really damaged. I have really curly hair, but if I don't put products in my hair comes out like this when it dries. And I'm honestly tired of looking at it like this and not looking cute during this time. So my goal is to make sure my skin looks good after quarantine and my hair looks nice and thick and shiny. So I'm gonna cut this avocado in half and put it in my bowl. I'm gonna crack the egg, put 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey, and then mix it. We're finally done mixing. And what I'm gonna do is, before applying this onto my hair, I'm gonna make sure my hair is a bit damp so that it helps spread the mask all over my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure my hair is damp. Comb out my hair because it's a bit tangled. So that when I do apply this, my hair is already soft and tangle free, and then I can brush it and comb it through my hair. Make sure you stir it really well. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna work your way from the bottom to the top of your hair. And then once you are done applying it, you're gonna top it off with a shower cap. So I like to apply things with my fingertips, so I'm just gonna take this. Hopefully it doesn't drip everywhere. And just apply it all throughout your hair. Wow, it's so soft. You wouldn't think, but comb it through. Put at the bottoms. And make sure you're wearing a shirt you don't care about. Not that it's gonna stain or anything, but you obviously don't want to wear like a cute top doing this. The heat of your hands will also help melt the product. So if you rub your hands together like this, it will melt the avocado into your hair. And what you're gonna do is once you put the shower cap on your hair, you're gonna blow dry your shower cap covered hair for 10 minutes so that it helps activate those ingredients. And then let it sit for another 20 minutes, and then you're gonna wash it out in the shower. Make sure you get it everywhere. I feel like I smell like guacamole. Interesting. The more, the merrier. And make sure you're scrubbing it, not scrubbing it, massaging it into your scalp. So the crown of my hair is the weakest point of most people's hair. And the follicles here are weaker. So you'll tend to see more breakage in the center part of your hair. I do apply a lot of heat and bleach, so the crown area of my head is a little bit more damaged than the rest of my hair. So make sure on the damaged areas you are massaging this product nicely in your scalp. Once you comb your hair, you will see like how soft this product really does make your hair feel like. Because right now my hair does feel really soft after combing it through. And the beauty about this is this will help rejuvenate and moisturize your scalp, which we all need because it is dry outside. So I've applied the product all throughout my hair. There will be some leftovers, and if there are leftovers, take a saran wrap plastic and apply it over the bowl and just refrigerate it so that you can reuse it again. And basically all you're gonna do now is, after I clean my hands, is take your shower cap. We'll put your hair in bun form like this. Just twist it up. Take your shower cap. We're just gonna blow dry our hair for 10 minutes, and then once we're done blow drying, we will take our shower cap off and jump into the shower. So I'm back from my shower. The first time you guys saw me in the beginning of the video, that was my hair out of the shower, just air dry. After doing this mask, my hair and my curls look more defined and definitely shiny and thicker. So I really can't complain about this mask. This is my first time seeing my hair curly and pink, so that's kind of cool. But if you guys are looking to enhance any of your hairstyles or to use more protective styles during this time in quarantine, I highly recommend tuning into my upcoming DIYs for protective mask treatments. So keep on watching, subscribe to my channel, and I'm looking forward to showing you guys new tips and tricks on how to maintain your hair.